everyone, this is the third experiment of Unix and Linux lab. In this we have to execute the programs related to looping statements using shell scripting. So these are the 5 programs: factorial of number, sum of given series, Fibonacci series, multiplication table and scientific calculator. So the first is factorial of a number. First I will take the number and read the number. Starting in the starting factorial is 1 for I equal to that number, and I is greater than 0, and we will decrement I 1 by 1. So it will multiply that number with with I, which will keep on decrementing each time. The number will be multiplied with the decremented value of I and will be stored in factorial. In the end we'll get the factorial and we can show the factorial of the number. So I will show you the output. So as you can see, the factorial of 5 is 120. Now the second program is sum of given series. So, first I am taking the series as 1 plus 2 plus 3, that series, and so the number range I am taking and reading the number. Then while the number is less than the number what we while I is less than the number what we gave, it will keep on adding I with the sum, that is 0. It will keep on adding I, and I will be incremented by 1 each time. And in the end we'll get the sum as the sum of sum till that number from 1. So the sum is, we can print the sum. So I will show you the. So for example, if I take the range 6, so it is showing the sum of the numbers from 1 to 6, that is 21. Now the third program is um, Fibonacci series. Okay, so the first I will take the value of n, that the number up to which we want the Fibonacci series. Then I will read the number. First two numbers, as it number 1 and 2 are always 0 and 1, so I am taking them as it is. Then I am Fibonacci series, I am outputting the number 1 and 2 as it is, just 0 and 1, and I am starting from the second variable and going until the variable we have mentioned, we have taken in the input, and then incrementing each time. And number 3 is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and then number 1 becomes number 2 becomes number 1, and number 3 value is stored in number 2, and this, and then I am showing the value of number 3, and this loop continues until we reach the number. So each time the number 3 will be different. This will print the Fibonacci series. So I will show you the output. So for example, if I take the input as 5, so it will print 5 numbers, Fibonacci series. Now the fourth program is multiplication table. So first I am taking the number, then I am asking the limit up to which I want to print the table. Then the multiplication table of the number is, I am taking I equal to 1, I less than equal to the limit, and then I is incrementing each time. Then expression number is equal to number into I. So it will the sum will have the number into I, that is multiplication of number and that I each time, and that will be shown as number into that I value from 1 to that limit, and the sum what we got in the above thing. So this will be done until we reach the limit. So I will show you the output. So first it is asking me to enter the number. For example, I put 5 and limit is 10. It will print up to 5 from 1 to 10. Then the fifth one is scientific calculator. So scientific calculator is okay. So first I am asking the user for to select either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division using 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So the user will enter 1, 2, 3 or based on that then inputs will be taken A and B. Then I am taking it in switch case C. If case is 1 then I am adding, then I am printing A plus B. If case is 2 then I am printing A minus B. Case is 3 I am printing A into B, and if case is 4 I am printing A divided by B, and in the end case is over, so we are printing ESAC, we are taking ESAC, the opposite of case. So now I will show you the output. Suppose if I take 4, it is asking me the two numbers. Suppose I take 20 and another number 4, so I can take the 20 by 4, which is 5. This is the output. So we have completed all the 5 programs. Thank you.